the key point why I wanted to bring you this video today, because you don't see many butterfly haircuts with that full fringe. So as you can see, that's the butterfly layers, the shag layers, the wolf cut layers, whatever you want to call it. They're all very similar. This one is just a bit more floaty, as you can see. I pinned up the front first because I wanted there to just be a bit more direction when it comes to coming around the face. So you can see there. So when we start to pull it out, it's going to be nice and bouncy. There. Let's just pull those pins out. You can see how nice and bouncy they are. They're not even moving like that. But yeah, I'm just going to stretch it all out and then I'll show you the finished result. So that's the finished result. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below and I'd love to know what you think. But that is the butterfly haircut, shag haircut, wolf cut. They're all very similar, but they've all got little differences. But I would say this is more towards the butterfly haircut, shag, maybe even the Rachel from Friends that people were wanting. The wolf cut was a lot heavier on top, but this does look heavy because we've got that full fringe, and that was the key point why I wanted to bring you this video today, because you don't see many butterfly haircuts with that full fringe. And a lot of the comments in the videos has been, does this work with a full fringe? Now you know. I think it looks great. So if you do too, let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, also, if you are new, hit the subscribe button, check out the videos up here, like the video, and then until next time, I'll see you on the next video.